Clouds are crazy, man. Such an adventure. It's our last day in Romblon. We've been here for the past 2 weeks and we came to the beach to say goodbye to the beautiful beaches of Romblon, and tomorrow we head into our next island.
Wait, didn't we just try Balut last night?
Oh yeah.
I think we need to put vinegar. Whoa, this is very hot. It's boiling. And it smells.
Oh, okay, nice. So we changed spots.
I'm gonna have just a sip of Samigel.
Sip, you mean?
Before. Alright, it's gonna be a tense moment, so we chose a quiet spot. We're about to try a balut, which is the developing bird embryo.
There's the sauce.
And it's 14 years old.
What?
15
days, not 14 years.
15 days here. 40. It's a century egg or what?
I don't know, I'm quite nervous to try this.
Go on, open it.
You open in the bottom or in the top? What do you think? To put the sauce.
I think it's the same, the bottom one.
Would you bring this in the...
I think we'll try.
You have to eat everything, but otherwise it doesn't count.
Yeah, we will do our best.
We do our best. Okay, let me film closely. Okay.
Right.
Have something to do.
Oh, just like with your knuckle. Oh yeah, I've done this before.
I've been doing this.
Oh no.
The bird is coming out.
What the fuck is this?
Don't smell it because you will not eat it.
What? What is this? Poi?
It's the brain or the ass.
It's dripping to my hand. You don't? You need to perforate
The skin. That first skin.
Looks very delicious.
Yeah, yummy.
It kind of looks like scrambled eggs, and then you've got this, which I'm not quite sure what it is, but it looks like some eyes. Is this the eyes?
No, it's so big. No. Go on. I really want you guys to eat it. This suspense.
You put some vinegar.
Oh, you put vinegar? And salt? There's the assistant, also filming. Okay, away. 1, 2, 3. How is it?
Fuck is it?
Look at it.
Show me. Show me. Ooh, nice. So this is...
Oh no, I didn't record this. I was filming the egg.
The face, he still has the face. Just continue and he will get the rest.
Continue. Oh no, is it that bad?
It's giving me chills. Why do we have so much light? I'll probably prefer just doing this in the dark corner, because then we didn't have to look at this.
Look at this.
Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Let me see the inside. You took it too quick.
You are brave.
It's not so cool.
Nice.
You have the bird here.
Show me.
It's not so well cooked, man.
Oh, and you've got the bird
But you
here.
already bite a bit.
Yeah.
But just of the white, no? The white part.
Yeah.
Of the bird as well?
Second bite. Dio mio. I put something. I bit the head. I don't know what's I bit something strong. I think it's the head.
My longi. The bird poop on the longi.
It's hard. What is this, man? I bit something very hard. What is this?
That's just the embryo. That's just the egg. Eat everything.
I cannot. What is this?
That's the embryo.
And when you did that,
I'll just eat this bit. You want to try this little bit?
Yeah. No, I eat it for my. It's not too bad. This is what?
I don't know. Just eat it.
What the hell was that?
It's nice. This is nice.
okay, now Christiana eats the whole thing.
You can have the rest. Do you want some chewy bits?
Pussies!
Yo, that's me, a pussy,
Do you
and I'm proud of it.
There's more eggs where that come from. Do you want to try some?
I'm trying.
But do you want like a whole one?
No, I
with,
don't want a whole one. I just
big
had dinner.
eyes and
I
feathers.
just had dinner.
That's it. That's the Balut challenge. I did not like it.
I like it. It's
You
nice.
seem to like all kinds of strange things.
It's nice.
God, he's moving. Hello, can I have one more, please? One more balut. It was so good that we're gonna buy another one. That's disgusting. Okay, no need vinegar. It's okay. Let's take this bad boy. Thank you. It's hot.
It's too hot.
Cristiano was acting all bravely, so we got her another egg.
I feel nervous now. Everybody looking at me. High expectations. It's very hard. Oh, this is developed. Come on. This one you can see the head.
Where is
Look at the
it?
head, the eyes. The
No, show me.
And mine is way worse than yours, guys. Mine is completely developed. So this is the head. This is the head. I
So you're
think
trying the
everybody
head?
can see. It's a bit like flour taste. It doesn't taste of anything in particularly.
Just like a boiled egg.
No, it tastes like flour.
For me, I hated it.
You are crazy girl.
You're proper strange.
Marry her now. She's stronger than you.
Last bite of the egg. Gone.
So how was it?
It's not too bad. The fetus tastes a bit like a floury taste. I can't really explain how it tastes. It's not too bad, it tastes like egg.
I did not like it. She, have to admit, she's pretty weird.
What can I do? I liked it, it was not too bad.
She pretty eats anything.
I'm not fussy about food.
Found the treasure. Some Filipino rum from 1854. Woohoo! This is what Jack Sparrow left us. Woohoo! Good stuff. I know that we've been showing this place in every single video here in Romblon, but this place is amazing.
This is our favorite spot here, Bon Bon Beach. Bon Bon Beach forever!
We've been snorkeling here, and every time we go out there we spot every time different animals. We saw scorpion fish, octopus.
Lionfish.
That's the name. I always call them
It's
scorpion.
a lionfish. And Gim also spotted mimic octopus, which is really cool. Eels, different type of eels, I don't know. Starfish is very weird and massive, like
pufferfish. I don't know, this has to be one of the best spots to snorkel.
And to spot different species of animals.
And completely for free, just bring some goggles
and swim away. Oh, and here in Bonbon Beach you can see the plankton that glows in the dark. I don't know how to pronounce the name in English, but it glows in the dark. And we're gonna try to get some pictures tonight, if we are lucky.
If you don't know what that is, if you've seen the movie called The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio, is when they go to the water during the night and there's this cool lights flashing from the water. It's really cool. If you haven't seen it, it's this.
Look, there, the plankton, shrimps. When they're disturbed, they glow. Come on.
We are leaving tomorrow and these guys are leaving on the following day. They're going to direction to Cebu
With Mr. Snaily.
Mr. Snaily.
and we are going to a nearby island. So we're going our separate paths. This island has been incredible. We've been amazed by this. That's why we stayed here 2 incredible weeks. And it's finally come to an end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.